Hello, my name is Liberty Luetters. This is my reading log over Trombone Shorty by Troy Andrews, and the illustrator is Brian Collier. Publishers Abrams Books for Young Readers, copyright date 2015. It's a picture book slash autobiography slash nonfiction. There's 18 pages. The age is 4 to 8, and it won the Coretta Scott King Illustrator Book Award in 2016. And I also already dropped my book off at the library without realizing that I had to record this reading log, so that is why I will not be showing you guys pictures and examples from my book. The main character of this book is a little boy who gets the nickname Trombone Shorty throughout the book. He lives in New Orleans and he has a really strong passion for music. His older brother James plays the trumpet, and he's also the leader of a band, and so this inspires Trombone Shorty to want to start his own band and start playing instruments himself. He finds a broken trombone to play, and it doesn't really sound that great, but it's better than playing nothing. And as the parade passed their house, the boy played his trombone, and James shouted, "Trombone Shorty," out loud. Trombone Shorty always looked forward to the Mardi Gras parades and the New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival. His mom surprised him with tickets to that festival that I was talking about, and there's a great musician named Bo Diddley. As he was performing, Trombone Shorty was in the audience playing his trombone at the same time, and he stopped playing and was like, "Hey, who's playing out in the audience?" And so he pulled Trombone Shorty up to the stage, and they started playing a song that Trombone Shorty led, and he was just like, "Follow along." They had a great time, and Trombone Shorty played really well. After this, he started his own band named the 5 O'Clock Band because they would meet at 5 o'clock after they had all their homework done and stuff, of course, which is good. Trombone Shorty joined James's band after that, and then his own band called Trombone Shorty and New Orleans Avenue as he was older. He also took them to the parades and festivals, the same ones that he really was inspired to start when he was younger, and he always wanted to be in them. And the illustrator in this book used pen and ink, watercolor, and some collage. That's what I wanted to show you, but I accidentally put my book back at the library. But there was collage pictures, so there was like a picture of a real person's face, and then there was like just little collage pieces all around it, and it would take up the whole page. And they were very detailed and colorful. This book's theme is never give up, and it's great for children because it shows that you can do whatever you want with your life, and you don't have to be special or popular in order to accomplish one of your goals. And this is what Trombone Shorty showed because he dreamed of playing an instrument his whole life and being in the parade and having his own band one day, and he got all three of those. This shows that if you work hard, anything can be possible if you really want it. This story also reminds me of how I've always wanted to be a straight A student, and when I was in high school, I ended with a 4.0, but I kept telling myself that college would be harder, and I wouldn't be able to do it in college because college classes would be harder, but as I'm in college, it becomes easy, and as long as you give all your effort, then things will come your way. Reading this book, I would have my students draw a picture or write a few sentences of something that they love to do. They could draw them playing in the NBA, singing on TV, their artwork in a gallery, etc. There are various examples of something that a student could draw or write in a sentence. Those that prefer to draw can do as they please, and those who aren't good drawers or don't want to draw or color on anything, they can just write a few sentences of what they would want to be. And then they can maybe explain to the class how they want to accomplish this goal. So like say if they wanted to be in a band like Trombone Shorty, so his first goal was to get an instrument, then get his own band, then play with them in the parade, and now he has his own band and he's all grown and he plays in the parades as his own band. So yes, I think this would be really fun, and this is a really great lesson to teach while you're reading your students this book.